It's late and you're done for the day, but your Mac has no idea. It's still bright white, still pinging. Work apps is still wide open, just like they were at 9 this morning. Your Mac runs at full speed, all day and all night. It never learned that difference. So tonight, let's walk it down together, step by step, until it's calm for the night and ready for you in the morning. The first thing that keeps you wound up at night usually isn't your Mac. It's everything around it. A room that's too quiet, traffic, a mind that won't slow down. Your Mac can fix that, and almost nobody knows it can. Open system settings, accessibility, audio, and here, turn it on, background sounds. About 16 sounds built into your Mac. Rain, ocean, a stream. That's rain from your Mac. No app, no download. It has its own volume separate from everything else. For convenience to activate and deactivate, you can add it to Control Center. Type sounds in the search bar. And here it is, enable background sounds. Drag it into the Control Center and place it wherever you like. This also works on your iPhone and iPad. You can find it under Settings and Accessibility. From now on, this is only one click away. One click on, one click off. So the room around you is calm now, but the screen you're staring at still isn't. That bright white screen at 10 p.m. is hard on your eyes, and you should not have to remember it to fix it every time. So let your Mac do that on its own. Under System Settings, this time Displays. At the bottom, Night Shift. Night Shift warms the screen in the evening. Set it to sunset to sunrise. It uses your location to know when it is actually dark. Or you can also custom set the time. Now one step back from here, click on Appearance, and then set Appearance to Auto. Now it's light by day, dark in the evening. On the same schedule, just set it once. From tonight, your screen just knows. Your screen's calm now, but your Mac is still tapping on your shoulder almost every minute. Rain's playing, screen's dim, and a notification pops up and drags you right back to your work. Let's put a stop to that on a schedule so you never have to think about it. Under System Settings, go one step back. This time, click on Focus. Turn on Do Not Disturb and give it a schedule. You set your time accordingly. Auto on every evening. Auto off every morning. Your notifications are not gone, just held till the morning. And you can still let the people through who matter to you. Just add them to the list. But there's one thing worth knowing. If your iPhone and iPad are on the same Apple ID, turning a focus on here turns it on across all of them. And that's on by default. Most people like it. If you'd rather keep them separate, go to Settings, Focus, and turn off Share across devices. You will need to do that on each device. So the noise, the light, and the pings are handled. But your work apps are still sitting right there, open, tempting, pulling you back in. Let's actually close the workday. Here's the one that almost nobody sets up on a Mac. You can tell you're a Mac after a certain hour. The workday is over, and have it actually enforce it. One step back in System Settings, this time Screen Time. Click on Downtime, turn it on, and set a schedule. You can start it, let's say 9 at night. When it kicks in, your work apps step back. Mail, Slack, your browser go quiet, out of easy reach. You can even set different times for weekdays and weekends. But you're not logged out of everything. If you go back under Always Allowed, you keep the calm ones: books, music, messages, FaceTime. So at night, your Mac gently closes the office, but leaves the living room open. So the Mac now knows workday is over. But let's make ending it feel just as easy. One tap and everything closing down. Everything we just set up. You can trigger the rest with just one tap. And a shortcut sounds complicated, but it is not. Give me only 20 seconds. I've shown you this before. I will build it again so you can watch. Shortcuts app. Click on plus symbol to create a new shortcut. Give it a name, maybe good night. Search for an action. Quit app. Click on app. Select all apps. If you wish to exclude some app from this action, you can choose here. And you can add 1, 2, or 3, as many apps you wish to exclude. Once done, close, make right click, change the icon and color, add it to dock. From now on, just one tap, and every app you left open closes. I use this shortcut almost every single day. But one quick important note. This is not for force closing unsaved work. If your Mac asks you to save something, save it first. That's your Mac protecting you. It won't throw away anything unsaved. Apps closed, Mac come. One more step before you walk away. Here's the last little thing. The gesture that says goodnight. Under desktop and dock, scroll it till the bottom. Click on hot corners. Choose right side top corner or left side top corner and select the action. Put display to sleep. Once you're done with your work, your personal, everything, slide the cursor to the corner and that puts your Mac to sleep immediately. And it's dark. No menus, no click, no flick. Good night. Your Mac wound down with you. But here's the part that makes it worth it. The morning. Morning. And this is the payoff of everything you set up. Your screen already brightened. Night shift and dark mode reversed at sunrise. Do not disturb switched off. The workday is back. All on its own. But let's make this morning even better. Another 20 seconds and we will create another shortcut. We did it before. This time add action, open app. Now add the number of apps you like to open every morning with just one tap. Every morning you need them. Mail, calendar, Safari, notes, reminders, Notion, Slack, and add one more action. Get upcoming events. Increase number of events to 3 and select specific calendar you want. And add this shortcut to your dock. That's it. Every morning, tap on this shortcut. All your apps within just seconds with only one click, open and ready. So from now on, your Mac goes quiet at night and in the morning, ready before you are. Here's your day, start to finish. Rain to settle in. A screen that dims itself. Notifications that wait. A Mac that closes the office at night. One tap to clock out. One flick to go dark. And one tap in the morning to pick it all back up. Don't do all of this together. Pick maybe 1, 2, or 3 that kind of works for you. If it's the noise in your head, start with the background sounds. If it's glare, start with the dark mode on auto. This was never about Mac settings. It is about your Mac that finally matches your day. It could do this the whole day. It never knew when you were actually winding down. Now it does. Anyways, if you're ready to step up, here's the next one. Before you click on it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Crazyators for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself and I will see you in the next one.